Hi guys, I checked and data logged the boost pressure on a 2003 Passat 1.8 turbo, and it too had the fields reversed, the specified and the actual. So I think it is not a known issue. It obviously isn't known because the values are labeled incorrectly, but it does affect other vehicles as well. So I think what's happening is that just across the board, Volkswagen probably as well is designating that those fields are what they are, and then Rostec is just taking that information and rebadging it in their software as being the correct definition for that for those fields. So it's not a matter of Rostec having gotten it wrong. They're probably using information that they got from the dealership. So anyways, here's a little bit of a video off of the 1.8 turbo, just so that you can see that it is doing the same thing as the Allroad, where the specified was not acting up like the Allroad. Sorry, the Passat does not have any boost pressure issues, but what I mean is that when you watch the yellow graph, which is supposed to be the specified, it's all over the place. And then you can see the actual, which is a nice rise, and the boost pressure is held at a certain level and then it drops, and that is what a specified boost wave graph is supposed to be looking like, whereas the specified, it was up and down and up and all over the place. So again, you'll see. So anyways, now you know, don't take those data PIDs as 100% / God's word. If you doubt that or if you don't trust or don't believe what a data PID is showing with regards to what the definition is, then definitely keep doing your research rather than just taking it for what it's worth, because again, it might lead you into the wrong way of diagnosing something. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. So just like on the Allroad, specified is located right here and actual is outside here, or is the last one. So I'm just going to graph it same way as well, and I'm going to take it for a test drive. We don't need the engine RPM. Well, actually engine RPM we could use. So we'll see what happens here. Specified being the yellow, so that should be the smooth graph, and the gray graph should be the erratic, the one that's being built or is the actual. So we'll see. I'm just going to go around the block, see what happens. So I can already see that the yellow is the erratic. So I believe that on this one as well, the information is reversed. Just gotta wait for traffic, sorry. So you can see the gray, as I'm accelerating, the ECM is holding boost. It's asking for X amount of boost because of my throttle position input. It knows I want X amount of power, and so it's trying to maintain or get to that boost. And then you can see the irregular yellow graph. There is the irregular yellow being actual, and you can see it cutting or dropping as it reaches the specified. Because I'm holding the gas pedal steady, I'm holding it steady. You can see the boost, the yellow going down as the vehicle is speeding up, even though the gray graph it's got a nice flat plateau. Again, the gray, I believe, is the specified. It knows that you're requesting X amount of power, and so it's keeping it there. And the yellow, instead of being specified, is the actual. So this is good information for myself as well. Let me know if you guys agree with me that those values, those definitions of those values should be the other way around. You can see I'm accelerating, cruising, nice steady speed. The yellow is the one that is constantly fluctuating. That's the one that the computer is controlling. So I definitely think that is the actual. The computer, it's varying because the computer is trying to maintain it at a certain level.